Hello, good day and welcome to Henry class. So in today's video, we're going to see how to tackle Premiere Pro header issue. So most likely you tried importing an image and we are met with a header error. So this is how we solve the issue. So come over here. So I'll try bringing in a couple of images. I'll just bring in like 2 or 3, and then you see if those pictures are going to come in, and so we'll know what to do. So here it is. I've brought in these pictures. Let's see if they come in. Apparently the header error issue has already appeared. So that's the header error issue. So what we'll do is click OK. Next thing we'll do is we'll go over to the folder, open up the folder, and then you come over here and type cmd. So here, please, not search, cmd on the address bar, and you click OK. That's here. That's how you type it in. So once you do that, cmd is going to open up. Once this is open, the next thing you need to do is you'll type in ren. We're going to do a wildcard here .png. Is that png? So usually it will be in jpeg. So this is what you will use, the jpeg, and then you don't know that asterisk.png. So once you do this, you click enter and it should go. Now once you're this, you wouldn't see this. The only reason why this is showing is because I've already converted mine to png. So I'm going to try importing all the pictures here, and then we'll see what happens. So sometimes a couple of pictures might come in, a couple others might not come. So you can see that for these ones, about 5 pictures came in. There are scenarios where this is a perfect way for you to resolve the issue. But in circumstances where it's not working, what do you do? So you want to highlight all the file and then you do, but for me, I just really want to highlight 3 just for the purpose of this tutorial. And then you click on edit with paint. So once you click on edit with paint, a couple of pictures will load up and you would have to save them as png. So this is it. Pictures are up already. So what do? Come over here to file, click on file and save as. Click on png or jpeg, anyone it is you want to, and you move it to a different folder and then you click on save. So once that is done for your picture, so this is Colorado story 2, right? And this is the folder here. I'm going to bring it in here. You can see it's not even here in the first place, so which means it was not working before. So now I'm bringing in Colorado 2. Let's see if that works. So that's it. So our issue has been resolved. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So also share this with your friend because I'll be bringing more amazing updates like this. Thank you for watching.